In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide posts on Instagram without deleting them. You can simply hide Instagram photos and video reels without deleting them. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On your profile page, let's say you would like to hide this video reel right here. Just tap on these three lines and then select on the option of archive. Your post will get hidden from your profile page. To get it back to your profile grid, simply tap on these three lines right here and then select the option of archive. Tap right here to choose category. Select posts. Then you will see all your hidden posts right here. To unhide, just tap on these dots then select the option of show on profile. All your likes, comments will get restored back on your profile grid. That's how easy it is to hide and unhide posts without deleting them on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.